Welcome back for another Tabata circuit. Today we'll be combining upper and lower body exercise once again. Mostly lower body with one of my favorite exercises, the static lunge. It's a very adaptable and modifiable exercise. You can begin against the wall or chair so you have lots of support, and if and when you're ready to come away from the wall, you can do so, but no pressure. A little tip to set up your static lunge is take a wide step to the side and then a big step back. That way you'll have a nice wide base of support, making it nice and safe and grounded as well. So you're coming down to where you can. If you have full range available, you can do so. If not, just come down to where it's comfortable and then squeeze as many muscles as you can to come on up. Our second exercise is very simply, we're gonna do a reach with a twist today, and we're gonna be playing around with different angles. If you have boxing gloves and you wanna add a little bit of weight to those arms for extra training, you can do so 100%. Another suggestion is to carry some dumbbells as you reach or punch forward. So let's do it. Choose your space. Make sure you got lots of room for your legs. All right. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Setting up that nice big wide stance here. Don't be afraid to let the knee move and glide forward. You can still do so as you keep your torso nice and tall, your ears over your shoulders, and your imaginary tail tucked between your legs. There's one round. We're gonna move on to the opposite leg. So I started with my right back, and now I'm bringing my left back. And I'm gonna move forward a bit. Here we go. I'm gonna slow it down a little bit as well. Really being intentional about using lots of muscles and connecting with your calves, your glutes, hamstrings, and enjoying that stretch in the front of the hip. That's an added bonus with this lunge, is you're actually getting a stretch for the front of that back leg. So we have our reaches. Here we go. Reach and reach and reaching up. Let's go down low. And what are you reaching for? Again, intention. I'm gonna reach for an apple. I'm gonna reach for a banana. And sometimes I like to reach for my favorite desserts. That's 3 rounds done. Not bad. So we're back to lunges for 2 rounds. Here we go. Don't forget to smile. Don't forget to breathe. And you can always slow it down. This is very accessible. You can speed it up. Doing great. Enjoy that rest time. It's quick, but it's there for us. One thing to pay attention to is that the knees shouldn't deviate to the sides. So they should be tracking forward, direction of your foot, direction of your toes, even if the knees come in front of the toes. That's completely okay. It's all dependent on the length of our limbs, our flexibility, and the mobility in our hips. Here we go, going in for those reaches. And reaching tall. And reaching down. And low. And low. And one more, let's squeeze it in there. All right, we have just 2 rounds left. Probably warming up. I'm finding that I'm a little bit out of breath, even without any extra weight. Of course, our Tabatas really help our aerobic abilities as well as our strength. Definitely feeling a good activation happening in that lower body. All right, last 20 seconds. And there we are. You did it. Great job. That's a lot. That's a lot of work on the legs. And there's that fabulous bell signaling that we got through 4 minutes of endurance and strength training. I'm very proud of you. Once again, my name is Lorenzo with Arts Fitness. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. If you have questions or concerns, feel free to post them below, and also subscribe to this channel for lots more circuits coming up in the weeks ahead. Take care.